Hello, I am Dr. R.K. Singh, laser and laparoscopic surgeon working in Definite Cure. Today we will discuss about anal fistula. Anal fistula is abnormal communication or tunnel between anorectal region and perianal skin. Now come to the sign and symptoms. It includes pus discharge, wet undergarments, serous or mucus discharge, fecal discharge sometime bloody discharge, pain while sitting, swelling over the perianal region, or sometime patient is having fever. Why it happen? The most accepted theory is cryptogranular sepsis. Other causes may include Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis, malignancy, obstetric condition, radiation, trauma, and STD. Cryptogranular glands are the anal glands which is situated between internal and external sphincters of anorectal region. These cryptogranular glands get infected through fecal or sometime outside infection. These infection may get enlarged and become pus. This pus inside the anorectal region is come out from perianal region or sometime inside the anorectal region. When it open inside the anal canal, it forms internal opening, and when it come out and open outside the perianal skin, it is called external opening. Now, to understand the type of fistula, first we have to understand the anatomy of anal canal. Anatomy of anal canal is made up of two muscles, internal muscles and the external muscles. Internal muscles is involuntary and remain always in the state of contraction, and external muscle is voluntary. Type of fistula. Fistula may be submucosal, intersphincteric fistula, transsphincteric fistula, suprasphincteric fistula, and extrasphincteric fistula. Submucosal fistula. Submucosal fistula means it is just beneath the submucosal region. This is the most superficial fistula. Intersphincteric fistula means the fistula is between internal and external sphincters. Transsphincteric fistula means the fistula pierces the internal and the external sphincter muscles. And suprasphincteric fistula is above the sphincters, and extrasphincteric fistula is just outside the sphincters. Perianal fistula may be classified as simple fistula or complex fistula. Simple fistula is low in origin, most superficial, low transsphincteric, and having single external opening, and there is no pain and no abscess, and easily treatable. Now come to the complex fistula. Complex fistula is called complex when it involves more than 30% of the sphincters, and it is high in origin, suprasphincteric and extrasphincteric. It's having multiple opening, painful, it's having abscess and difficult to treat. Why fistula have high recurrence rate? Fistula is having two opening, internal and external. Once pus released, the pain disappear. You take antibiotic, the antibiotic delay the pus formation, but the fistula is not permanently cured, because after few months you will get again infection. The infection again enters into the internal opening in the form of fecal matter, and this fecal matter get infected and become pus, and this pus again come out through the perianal region, and this process is happen again and again, because as long as the fistula tunnel is there, you will not get cured. Because tunnel is there, you will definitely have infection and in the form of pus. How will you diagnose this fistula? For fistula, you have to consult with your general surgeon. The general surgeon will examine your anorectal region. It will use some instrument called proctoscope, and sometime he will do DRE. During DRE, or this that is digital rectal examination, he will feel internal opening. Other investigations may include MR fistulogram. MR fistulogram is a good investigations to depict the internal opening of the fistula and the track or multiple track of the fistula. Now come to the treatment. Treatment is based on the position of the fistula. First, fistulotomy. Fistulotomy is a procedure in which we lay open the fistula. Means the fistula track is opened up. This procedure is having recurrence rate of 2 to 9% and incontinence rate of around 50%. Now, fistulectomy. Fistulectomy is a procedure in which the whole of the fistula tract is excised. Third one is Sharashutra or Seton. Sharashutra is a medicated thread which acts as a cutting seton or a draining seton. Cutting seton help in healing the fistula, in which we have to tight the thread after 7 days, and this tighten the thread will cut the fistula tract and gradually help in healing the fistula. Draining seton. Draining seton is for drain the pus, and this pus is let out and help in healing the fistula. Sometimes we make colostomy to heal the fistula. In colostomy, we divert the fecal matter, and in this colostomy, our anal region get rest for the some time, and in this time the fistula will heal faster. After some time, we get back to close this colostomy and the anal region is continue. Next, we can use biodegradable glue. Biodegradable glue is a glue which insert inside the fistula tract, and this fistula tract may heal spontaneously. Next, fistula plug. Fistula plug is a device which is made up of some mucosa of small intestine. This plug is plunging inside the fistula tract and suture. After some time, this plug heal this fistula spontaneously. Next, endorectal advancement flap. This flap is made up of mucosal surface, and with the help of this mucosa, external opening is covered and we suture the internal opening. Next, lift is ligation of intrasphincteric fistula tract, in which we make a small incision over the groove and identify the tract and take it out and cut it and ligate the proximal and the distal end. WAFT. WAFT is video assisted anal fistula treatment. It is minimal invasive procedure. In WAFT, we inserted a fistuloscope inside the fistula tract, and with the help of fistuloscope, we flush and curate the tract and let the opening for open drainage. The drawback of this method is high recurrence rate. Now, what we do in definite cure? In definite cure, we do DLPL technique, distal laser and proximal ligation, in which the laser probe is inserted inside the fistula tract, and after insert the laser probe, we seal the fistula tract and close the internal opening. Thanks for watching this video. For more health related videos, like and subscribe Definite Cure.